Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Kenzie, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate everybody's love and support. So this week's video that we're doing right now will be my normal run-of-the-mill video that I typically post on Sunday. So you guys should be seeing this on Sunday. Today's Thursday the 9th, 10th, 11th. So this should be posted on the 12th. We should be back on our normal schedule after being behind posting videos. So I know last week, I think I posted 3 videos, but that was really just to, catch me up. So this week we are going to do an unboxing. This is off of PalmStreet, and this is the first time that I have ordered from the seller before. This is from JoyousRoots, and she's located in Georgia, and I watch her lives quite often, and I've never purchased from her before. However, she has some of the most beautiful plants. She does Hoyas and Alocasias. I don't know if she does like anything else. I'm pretty sure she just does Alocasias and Hoyas, but yeah, she's got some of those beautiful plants. So I purchased 3 plants from her, but the 4th plant is one that I won in a giveaway, and it's a plant that I am very, very excited to share with you guys. So let me readjust the camera and then we'll get started. Okay, so I think I like this camera setup better. I know the top of my head is cut off, but I find that I can get all of myself plus everything that we're doing like in the screen, and I don't have to sit for it. I can stand, but we'll try it out for a bit and see. I almost need like a separate table just for my camera. I have it sitting on some totes right now. Oh wow, she insulated. Wow. Okay, so this is inside the box. There's only like 4 plants, I think. It could be 3 plants. 1, 2, well, technically it's 4, but I only purchased 3. I don't know what could possibly be in here. Oh. Lots of packing peanuts. Oh man, okay, let me, oh shoot. Let me dump these out in the box. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then she did send just like a card that shows where like her social media is. And then that's cute. She sent a restoring eye mask. That's kind of cute. There's packing peanuts everywhere. All right. So this plant was the giveaway plant, and I know that because the tag is on the outside. So we'll open this one last. This one I purchased off of her website, but she combines plants from her website to plants that you purchase on PalmStreet. So we'll do this one first because this was actually a wish list plant. It was a plant that was actually on my 2026 like wish list video that I made. I will, if you didn't see it, I'll link it in one of these corners. So this little, so all of these are Hoyas. This one that we're opening, I hope you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? Here's this one. You ready? Oh, it's so pretty. Ah, it's so pretty. This is a Hoya Canya Kumariana. Here's the label. And look at that baby. Look how pretty, and those little ruffly leaves. Oh, it's just a little small leaf Hoya. I don't think the leaves get much bigger than this. They might get like a smidge bigger. But they're just so pretty and so dainty. So beautiful. I cannot wait to get this on a little like a circular trellis. That's going to be so cute. Yeah, very well packaged. Yeah, the owner of the store, or like of the shop, her name is Natalia. I think that's how you pronounce her name. And then it's a veteran-owned company. Now, I don't know if she was in the military or if her husband is or was. I don't know if either one of them are still active. I've never asked. But in case you're somebody that likes to purchase from small family-owned, veteran-owned businesses, she is the shop for you. She's super, super nice. All right, so this next plant was really, the rest of these were not wish list plants, but I liked them when she was showing them off, and they immediately became wish list plants. It's usually how plant window shopping goes. You don't realize you want something until you see it. Here's this one. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look how beautiful those leaves are. Where's the plant tag? So there's this one. Look at the green on those leaves, guys. I hope this color is coming up. don't know if that light made it better or worse. Oh, look how pretty that green is and that purple vein underneath. Oh, that's so pretty. It's a thick leaf Hoya. This is a Hoya species JoyousRoots Nap C028. And that's what that one is. Oh, look how pretty. And it's got just enough, it's a little splashy, but this is a big leaf Hoya, and from what I understand, these will get bigger. But yeah, so pretty. And she does have a small growth point. Right there. Yeah, so pretty. All right, this one I'm really excited about. So I had been looking at this one for a couple weeks and I wasn't sure if I was gonna buy it. And I broke down and I just bought it on her website. So excited about this one. It's like a big old fluffy cloud. Right. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, so pretty. And it's like and the leaf texture isn't what I thought it was going to be. It's so much better. I don't know what that is. I guess I should show you guys. Here you go. Look how pretty. And it's very so this is a new leaf. And the veins are raised, so it's very textured. It did have an active growth, but it looks like it died off, which is fine. So it did have this one right here, and it did die, but that's normal for transporting. And then this growth point, I think the top piece also died off, but it's still an active node, so there should be some additional growth that'll come out of it. Wow, this is an Ache species, which I do love Aches. This is species Ache elephant trunk. Look how pretty. Yeah, so pretty. It doesn't have a super dark vein underneath like most Aches do, but maybe that'll just come with time. Wow, so pretty. This is also going to be a huge, like a big leaf Hoya, and I'm so excited. So excited. Everything was packaged super, super nice. Yeah, I love it. Oh, I'm so excited for these plants, guys. This one I'm really excited about because right now they're still expensive. They're still going for like, I don't know, 150 a node, like a 2-leaf, 1 node, 2-leaf. So I won this on a giveaway. It was actually a buyer's giveaway. So yeah, I'm really, really excited. I already have 1, 2, yeah, 2. So I technically already have this Hoya. I just have the 2 other variations of it. But I don't have this specific specimen. So pretty. You guys ready? Dun, dun, dun. Look how pretty. It's a Hoya Matilde Gray Fairy. Oh, so pretty. And she grew a lot in the, so I had her hold my order. Just because I was out of town and it's grown so much. So initially when I won it, it was just the 1 leaf. So in the week that she's had it, it's grown 2 leaves and it's got that growth point here. And then this one up here is starting. Oh, so pretty. Wow, and if you don't have one of these, it does, the new leaves get like a pretty little sheen. It's almost like a glittery sheen. Wow, so pretty. I cannot wait for this to grow out. I can't get over how pretty that is. Okay, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Short little video compared to like the last like 3 that I've posted, which I think have all been about an hour long. But yeah, this was a really exciting unboxing that I got to do. These were all plants that I wanted, and yeah, they're so beautiful. Natalia, if you're watching, thank you so much. The plants they're absolutely stunning, and they really were packaged very nicely. But yeah, if you guys are curious, go ahead and check her shop out. She has beautiful plants. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate everybody's love and support. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. That way you never miss a video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.